Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Honda CRV key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. Having these ready makes the process smooth and quick. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so you don't lose any small parts. This simple replacement can save you a trip to the dealership. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot on the side of the casing, usually near the key ring. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist or pry, the two halves of the key fob should separate easily. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time with this step. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, which often has a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click. This confirms that the fob is securely closed. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they are working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key fob with a fresh battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.